Welcome to our video on the top 7 worst fruits for diabetes. While fruits are generally a healthy choice, certain fruits can significantly impact blood sugar levels, making them less suitable for those managing diabetes. Stay tuned as we count down the fruits that people with diabetes might want to limit or avoid to maintain better blood sugar control. Understanding which fruits to consume in moderation can help you make informed dietary choices and keep your blood sugar levels in check. Before we start the countdown, please don't forget to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel to help us reach more people. Now let's get started and discover the top 7 worst fruits for diabetes. Kicking off our list at number 7 is pineapple. This tropical fruit is not only deliciously sweet, but also packed with nutritional benefits. However, it is also high in natural sugars. A single cup of pineapple chunks contains about 16 grams of sugar, which can cause a rapid spike in blood glucose levels. This spike can be problematic for individuals with diabetes, as it can lead to difficulties in managing their blood sugar levels effectively. Pineapple is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C and manganese. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function, skin health, and wound healing, while manganese plays a crucial role in bone health and metabolism. Despite these benefits, the high sugar content in pineapple necessitates caution for those managing diabetes. For diabetics, it's best to consume pineapple in moderation. Opting for smaller portions can help control the intake of sugars. Additionally, pairing pineapple with a source of protein or healthy fat can help mitigate its impact on blood sugar levels. For instance, enjoying pineapple with a handful of nuts, a piece of cheese, or some yogurt can slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing sharp spikes in blood glucose. Coming in at number 6 is watermelon. This hydrating and refreshing fruit is a summer favorite, but it can be challenging for those managing diabetes due to its high glycemic index. Foods with a high glycemic index can cause a quick increase in blood sugar levels, and watermelon is no exception. A cup of diced watermelon contains around 9 grams of sugar, which can lead to rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. For diabetics, the key to enjoying watermelon is moderation. It's important to keep portion sizes in check to avoid significant increases in blood sugar levels. Instead of indulging in large servings, try having smaller portions. Pairing watermelon with fiber-rich foods can also help slow down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream, promoting more stable blood sugar levels. For instance, you could enjoy a small serving of watermelon with a handful of almonds, or mix it into a salad with leafy greens and a source of protein. While watermelon is high in sugar, it also offers several nutritional benefits. It is packed with vitamins A and C, which are vital for maintaining healthy skin, immune function, and overall well-being. Additionally, watermelon's high water content helps keep you hydrated, making it a great choice for staying cool and refreshed during hot weather. By being mindful of portions and combining watermelon with other healthy foods, you can savor this summer treat without compromising your blood sugar control. Sliding into number 5 is mango, another tropical favorite that's hard to resist. Mangoes are incredibly sweet, but this comes with a high sugar content. A medium-sized mango can pack in around 45 grams of sugar, which can lead to significant blood sugar spikes for those managing diabetes. Despite their high sugar content, mangoes are rich in essential nutrients like vitamins A and C, folate, and fiber. These nutrients provide various health benefits, such as supporting immune function, aiding digestion, and promoting healthy skin and vision. However, for diabetics, the challenge lies in balancing the nutritional benefits with the potential impact on blood sugar levels. To enjoy mangoes without compromising blood sugar control, portion size is key. Instead of eating an entire mango, try having a small portion. Pairing mango with foods that have a low glycemic index can also help mitigate its impact on blood sugar levels. For instance, you can add a few slices of mango to a bowl of Greek yogurt, which provides protein and healthy fats to help stabilize blood sugar. Another strategy is to incorporate mango into a balanced meal. For example, you could include small mango pieces in a salad with leafy greens, grilled chicken, and a light vinaigrette. This combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats helps slow down the absorption of sugars from the mango, reducing the likelihood of blood sugar spikes. By enjoying mangoes in moderation and as part of a balanced diet, you can savor their delicious flavor without negatively impacting your diabetes management. At number 4, we have grapes. These small juicy fruits are incredibly easy to snack on, but they come with a high natural sugar content. A single cup of grapes contains about 23 grams of sugar, which can quickly raise blood sugar levels. This makes them a challenging fruit for diabetics to manage, as the quick absorption of sugars can lead to blood sugar spikes. Despite their high sugar content, grapes are packed with beneficial nutrients, including vitamins C and K, potassium, and antioxidants like resveratrol. These nutrients contribute to heart health, support immune function, and provide anti-inflammatory benefits. However, the key for diabetics is to enjoy these benefits without the negative impact on blood sugar. To incorporate grapes into a diabetic-friendly diet, portion control is crucial. Instead of consuming a whole cup at once, try limiting yourself to a smaller serving size. A handful of grapes can be a satisfying snack without overwhelming your blood sugar levels. Another strategy is to include grapes as part of a larger meal, rather than as a standalone snack. Adding a few grapes to a salad with leafy greens, grilled chicken, and a light dressing can provide a burst of flavor while balancing the sugar intake with fiber and protein. Thoughtful pairing is also essential. For example, combining grapes with a handful of nuts or a slice of cheese can slow down the absorption of sugars. The healthy fats and proteins in nuts and cheese help stabilize blood sugar, making the combination a more balanced snack option. By enjoying grapes in moderation and with the right pairings, you can savor their delicious taste while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Coming in at number 3 are cherries. These vibrant, juicy fruits are packed with antioxidants and offer numerous health benefits, but they also contain a significant amount of natural sugar. A single cup of cherries has about 18 grams of sugar, which can pose a challenge for those trying to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Cherries are rich in vitamins C and A, potassium, and fiber. They also contain anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and may lower the risk of certain chronic diseases. However, their high sugar content makes them a tricky fruit for diabetics to manage. To enjoy cherries without significantly impacting blood sugar, portion control is essential. Instead of consuming a whole cup, consider eating a smaller serving size. A half cup of cherries can still provide plenty of flavor and nutrition without causing a major spike in blood glucose levels. Pairing cherries with a source of protein or healthy fat can also help balance their glycemic impact. For example, enjoy a small serving of cherries with a handful of almonds or a piece of cheese. The protein and fat in these foods help slow down the absorption of sugars, which can help maintain more stable blood sugar levels. Eat cherries as part of a balanced meal. For example, adding a few cherries to a salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken, and a light vinaigrette can provide a delightful burst of sweetness while balancing the meal with protein and fiber. Nearly at the top at number 2 are bananas. These popular fruits are convenient, nutritious, and easy to include in your diet, but they are also high in carbohydrates and sugar. A medium banana contains approximately 14 grams of sugar and has a glycemic index that can cause moderate spikes in blood glucose levels. Bananas are a great source of essential nutrients, including potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. They provide quick energy and are beneficial for muscle and heart health due to their high potassium content. However, for diabetics, the high carbohydrate and sugar content of bananas means they need to be consumed with caution. To manage the impact of bananas on blood sugar levels, consider eating them in moderation. Instead of consuming a whole banana, try slicing half a banana into your morning oatmeal or smoothie. This way, you can still enjoy the flavor and nutritional benefits without overloading on sugar. Pairing bananas with foods that have protein or healthy fats can also help slow down sugar absorption. For instance, adding banana slices to a bowl of Greek yogurt can help balance the glycemic impact. The protein and fat in these foods help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. Also, choose bananas that are less ripe. As bananas ripen, their starch content converts to sugar, making ripe bananas higher in sugar than green or yellow ones. Opting for slightly green bananas can reduce the sugar intake while still providing the nutritional benefits. Topping our list at number 1 are dates. These small, sweet fruits are incredibly dense in natural sugars, making them a popular choice for a quick energy boost. However, for those managing diabetes, dates can be problematic due to their high sugar content. A single date contains about 5 grams of sugar, and it's easy to consume multiple dates in one sitting, leading to a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. Dates are rich in essential nutrients, including fiber, potassium, and magnesium. They also contain antioxidants that can help combat oxidative stress. Despite these benefits, the high glycemic index of dates means they can cause significant spikes in blood glucose levels, which is why they should be consumed with caution by those with diabetes. If you enjoy dates, it's important to practice moderation. Instead of eating them on their own, try incorporating dates into meals that include high-fiber foods or healthy fats. For example, you can add chopped dates to a salad with plenty of leafy greens and a dressing made from olive oil, or pair them with a handful of nuts. The fiber in the greens and the healthy fats in the nuts can help slow down the absorption of sugar, reducing the overall glycemic impact. Another approach is to use dates as a natural sweetener in recipes, which allows you to control the portion size more effectively. For instance, you can blend dates into a smoothie with low-sugar fruits like berries and add a source of protein like Greek yogurt. This combination can help balance the sugar content and prevent sharp spikes in blood sugar levels. And there you have it, the top 7 worst fruits for diabetes. While these fruits can offer nutritional benefits, their high sugar content makes them less ideal for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Remember, moderation is key, and pairing high sugar fruits with protein or healthy fats can help mitigate their impact on blood glucose. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness. If you have any questions or personal experiences with these fruits, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a healthy and happy day.